Hello, and welcome to Stuffed Animals Talk, the new Stuffed Animal Talk show. Every month there will be a new one. And as you can see, our first guest, Cuddles, the pillow pet. Hi, I'm Cuddles, and I like being on the show. I like being on YouTube. Well, that's very nice. It's very nice. I'm going to sing a little song about it. Okay, you do that. I like stuffed animals. Being on YouTube, we come together. Stuffed animals, 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 stuffed. Okay, you can stop now. Stuffed animals. You can stop now. Stuffed animals. Do you want to be taken off the show? No. Stop. Well, okay, because that made me aggravated. Oh, do you like being aggravated? No. Okay. Was it funny when you're aggravated? Yeah. If I do say so myself. 1 second, folks. Just listen. No! 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 Put me down. I'm getting aggravated. Let me. Okay then. You're back on the show. Yeah, I'm not aggravated. So, anyways. You have about a minute and 30 seconds left. What do you want to do? I want to spray the computer. No. Wait, with what? This! Who? What's that? How did you throw that? I didn't see it on you when you were going through security. Computer cleaning spray. I thought you meant spray like an animal does. Oh wait, you're a stuffed animal. You couldn't do that. Anyways, no, we don't want to take our chances. You have about less than a minute left. Well, what do you want to do? I want to be checked around. Okay. Wait, is this supposed to be a talk show? Because it doesn't seem like it. Okay. How do you feel about humans, okay? I like them. Okay, that's enough time we have. No, okay, so anyways, bye. There will be a new episode next month with a new guest star. And it will end in exactly 3 minutes. Goodbye, folks. Have a nice day.